Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Mitsubishi Outlander can take you to some really cool places, whether it be through bike riding, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer through most of North America. So let's go ahead and break down that easy install for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. All right, to start off, we're going to go ahead and lower the spare tire using the vehicle's spare tire removal kit. All right, on the driver's side, we're going to go ahead and remove the tow hook. It's held in by 3 bolts. There's 1 on the side and 2 on the outside of the frame rail. And we'll go ahead and remove those using a 14mm socket. Next, we're going to go ahead and lower our exhaust. It's held by 3 rubber exhaust hangers, one right here, here, and here. All right, now before we remove our exhaust hangers, we're going to go ahead and support it using a support strap. We're just going to go around the cross member. All right, now we're going to go ahead and remove our hangers using soapy water and our exhaust removal pliers. All right, so let's go ahead and point out our attachment holes. We'll be using these 2 holes on the side and this middle weld nut at the bottom of the frame. And it will be the exact same on the passenger side. All right, now we're gonna bring our hitch into position using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as the hitch is a little heavy. All right, now starting on the driver's side, we're gonna go ahead and put our hardware into place. We're gonna start with our 2 long bolts and the spacer block. These are gonna go into the side right here through those 2 holes. And with the bolts through, we're going to go ahead and install our included flange nuts. All right, now we're going to install our small bolt and the conical tooth washer with the teeth facing the hitch on the bottom right here. All right, now we're going to go ahead and repeat the same process on the passenger side. We're just going to go and bring our bolt in from the top. If you have trouble putting it in by hand, our kit also includes a fish wire. You'll just bring it in from the other side of the frame rail, and then we'll attach our bolt to our fish wire, and then we'll go ahead and pull it through. Now on the outside of the frame, we're going to take our spacer block and put it on top of the 2 bolts, and then we'll install our included flange nuts. And then we'll install our bottom bolt. All right, now with everything in place, we're going to go ahead and tighten and torque all of our bolts according to the manufacturer's specification. Our bolts on the bottom will be using a 17mm socket, and it helps to use a 5-inch extension. And our bolts on the side will be using a 19mm socket. All right, now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our exhaust. And now we're going to go ahead and remove our strap. Reinstall the spare tire. All right, we went ahead and pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver, and our pinhole comes flush with the bumper, and the edge of the receiver is 2 inches from the bumper, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 13 inches. That will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. So that wraps up our install. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions or need more information, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.